Alright, for this one, we are trying to look at 4 different locations. We got -2 for the first 2 questions, 0 for the next 2, 2 for the third set of 2, and 4 for the last 2. So for each set of question, they would like to know the y value at that particular x. So the y value when x is -2 does not exist. And so the limit could exist, but from the right it's going to an infinity, from the left it's going to -infinity. They're not even going to the same value, so that does not exist either. It's got to be the same from the right and from the left. At 0, oops, I'm missing part of my graph right here. Let's go ahead and fill this back in. There we go. So at 0, from the right, it looks like y is approaching 4, but from the left, it's approaching about a half. So if they're not approaching the same thing, the limit does not exist there. But just because the limit doesn't exist doesn't mean that value can exist. When x is 0, y is 4. Okay, for the third one, f of 2 is right here, and it does not exist there. See that from the hole in the graph. However, from the right, it looks to be approaching about a half, and from the left, it's approaching the same thing. So that's a little bit of an estimate because kind of hard to see, but I think that's supposed to be 1/2. And to finish off, f of 4 is right there. When x is 4, y is 2, so no problems there. And then over here, approaching 4 from the left goes to infinity, and approaching 4 from the right, also infinity. So we could say that the limit's approaching infinity, and sometimes some people choose to do it that way. I'm going to lean towards saying it's unbounded, does not exist. Unbounded just means it's going to go up forever or down forever. So even though they're both going to infinity, doesn't really reach it anyway, so I would prefer you go with this.